You just picked up a pair of shoes from a thrift store for resale, but it's been marked up with a permanent marker. Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean those permanent marker scribbles with a simple solution. All you need is some Goo Gone and a sturdy paper towel. Pour some solution onto your paper towel. Dab the area to spread the solution, then proceed to scrub the area. The Goo Gone easily lifts the permanent marker ink right off the shoes. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.